Hi, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video, let me show you how to fix the Captcha error on your Steam.
Hi everyone, so here's how to fix your Steam Captcha. So you want to go to Steam, join, this one right here, Steam store, that's steampower.com/join. So you want to type in your email address, then you want to rewrite it, then confirm your country of residence, then press in or click the captcha button, and also the I am 13 years of age. Just follow the prompts. Then after that, you want to create your account, and if it still doesn't work, you want to go and open your Steam account. So if this is your Steam right here, go to the Steam button in the upper left corner, go to settings. After that, navigate to the in-game section. Then you want to delete your web browser data. Just want to delete that, then confirm. After all of the prompts, then that's it. Hopefully your Steam will work again.